Okay, my highlight of the week is for Colt. Colt, you are an amazing cartographer. I've loved watching your amazing artwork in social studies class with your big map of Kansas. You're doing a fantastic job. And my second highlight of the week is for Ava. I'm so proud of you, even with your injury in cross country. You went to the meet yesterday and you cheered everyone on, and you're having a really positive attitude. So great job.
Hi everyone. So I'm gonna be highlighting Olivia Dochier. She's just been so positive in class and just really an awesome personality to have in language arts class. And then also Abby Greiser. You've just been awesome with communicating when you were absent and just been doing great things. I'm so excited for you in cross country and I can't wait to see the things you do.
All right, I am going to highlight, my first one is Hayden Parker. And Hayden, you just come into my class, you've done all of your work, you've had a great attitude. I enjoyed talking to you and I love your sense of humor. And then Levi Sayer. And Levi, you know, in the mornings, first hour, Mrs. Seibel is not a morning person. I'm coming in the door and I'm like sometimes like strung out half the time it looks like. And so you help me get all my stuff in and you help me get organized, and I just really appreciate that. Thank you.
All right, my highlight for the week goes to Hannah Best in 6th hour. Hannah, you have kind of made the culture of our 6th hour a close one. We've had a lot of giggles with your love for toast. And so thank you for making us laugh each day. Thanks, Hannah.
I have a few highlights this week. I want to start with Callan Robertson. Thank you so much for there we go, making me smile. You caught a fly in your hand and you were super proud of it, and it just made me and the whole class smile. So thank you for helping all of us smile. Next, I want to highlight Ethan Boland. You walked down to the library to get a copy of Walk Two Moons for a student who is now on crutches. So thank you so much for being helpful and considerate to your classmates. Next is Hunter Hayden. You are always in a positive mood and I really appreciate that. And you are very consistent about holding the door open in Central Time when we go outside for mask breaks. So thank you for also being considerate to your classmates. And finally is Ryan. You showed me how to change Zoom names when the age is restricted. So thank you so much for showing me how to show everyone else how to change their Zoom names.
All right, I have 3 people and you're all being highlighted for the same thing. Last week on Wednesday, our Zoom link didn't show up correctly and you were troopers. Like, I think you spent 20 minutes trying to get on the correct Zoom link and you persevered through everything. And so you had a great attitude. So Madeline Jacobs, Madison Bowline, and Logan Vinther, y'all were rock stars and you didn't quit. And so persistence is key. And then I also have Ethan McAtee for Miss Unruh. She says, thank you for including others and being a good friend to those who need it.
All right. My highlights for this week. First one's going to go to Owen Lloyd. You've had a ton of great participation in science class and a lot of effort. And also my second one goes to Ada. You've also had a lot of participation in class, a lot of effort, and I really appreciate all the positivity that you've had in our Central Time and everything you're doing to help out there. Thank you.
And I'm a lot taller than people. Mine is for Chris Quinton. You have had an awesome attitude. You've been really helpful to other kids and have been looking out for them. So thank you, Chris.
So now y'all know in measurement, we based the camera height off of me, not Mr. McDonald. But I have one more for you. So Miss Mason says, Jace Burns, you're doing a rock star job. You've done really well with adjusting to the hybrid model and completing assignments on time without having to leave the classroom for breaks. So awesome job, y'all. We're so excited to have you here. Thanks for being great and highlighting our days.